Hello, my name is Heather Trombley. I'm the President and Chief Operating Officer of Dentalez. With these unprecedented times, it's more important than ever to stay connected in more and creative ways with our vendors, our distribution partners, and our customers when this crisis can make us feel all so isolated. First, while many of us, including myself, are working from home, Dentalez is open for business. Whether working remotely or at our manufacturing sites with social distancing guidelines strictly being enforced, we're deemed an essential business. So we have customer service, technical support, quality, shipping and receiving personnel, and limited production associates ready with products, information, guidance, instructions for use, and the like, as well as we're preparing for when dental offices reopen and patients return. What's more, we see many of our customers using this unplanned crisis and shutdown as a time to upgrade their offices and replace worn equipment. We have the products and the information you need, and we invite you to visit us at www.dentalez.com or call us at 1-800-DTE-INFO. This brings me to the second point of information I want to share. With the COVID-19 disruption affecting all of us, we've turned our focus to how we can help the dental community at this challenging time. We've retooled our website with more relevant information. We've created easy-to-follow opening and closing guidelines for dental offices and other necessary information so you can easily get your mechanical room and operatory equipment back in good working order and get the best performance from your Dentalez equipment. We invite you to visit us on all the social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And you're welcome to share your comments, thoughts, or even just like us if you find the information and tools there valuable. My third and final message today is this. We don't have all the answers to this crisis, how long the effects will be, what it means, and we don't think any of us have all the answers. But we do know that as a dental community, actually a community at large, we are all in this together and we're better together. We're committed to helping and we want to hear from you. We'd like to hear what will help you at this point in time. In addition to sharing the content we believe we will be helpful, we want to hear your ideas, suggestions, and recommendations on how Dentalez can help you weather this storm. We can't promise to implement all of them, but we can promise to evaluate all of them. And if we can do it, we will. We want you to message us on Facebook, where we will review every submission and share collectively the output, because we are better together. I want to wrap this up by thanking you for your time listening to me today, by following us on your favorite social media platform, visiting our website, and sharing your thoughts and ideas. I can't wait until normalcy is restored and we can all get back to the industry and work we love, helping patients. In the meantime, we can support each other. I hope you will let Dentalez support you by telling us what you need so we can respond. In the meantime, please let's all heed the measures and guidance being asked of us to slow the spread of this dreadful coronavirus and help save lives. Please take care, stay safe, and be well. And thank you from all of us at Dentalez.